Today in this video we are going to make a project with the help of Arduino and PIR sensor. With the help of this both component, we will be controlling the light of our room, or similar projects can be done with the help of this. For that we required Arduino, PIR sensor and one bulb. So for that, let's drag and drop. Here I'm taking one PIR sensor. You have to search here PIR, and you will get PIR sensor. You just have to keep it here, and one thing is required, that is bulb. We are going to control a bulb. So this is a light bulb. You can say that here you can see there are two terminal 1 and terminal 2. Let's do the connection for this. For that you have to connect terminal 1 to the ground of Arduino and terminal 2 the pin number 13. You can take any of this pin. I'm taking pin number 13. So you can change the color of this wire. Here I am taking red. And let me tell you about the PIR sensor, that how does this sensor work. Suppose that if a motion happens between or in the range of this PIR sensor, it will detect logic, and that logic may be 0 or 1. On the basis of this both logic, we are going to control this bulb. For that, let me tell you one thing. There are 3 terminals in this PIR sensor. You can see signal, power and ground. Signal will be connected. You can connect signal even in analog pins, but I am going to take it as a digital. For that I am going to connect signal pin with digital pin of Arduino, pin number 2, and remaining 2 terminal power will be connected to the pin number or 5 volt of Arduino, and remaining 1 terminal will be connected to ground. And let me change the color of ground. I am keeping it black, and signal wire I will keep orange. You can take any color which you like. So we have done our circuit connection, and we built our circuit. And now coming to the coding part, let's do write a code for this. You come, and here you have to come in text and continue. I am going to remove some portion from this, like there is comment, and from this I will take, and first of all let's create variables. We are taking data type, that is integer. For bulb I will take B for bulb, that's why I am taking, and bulb is connected to pin number 13. You have to assign this pin number, and the next will be PIR, and that is connected to pin number 2. And we will take another variable. Let's give its name well. It is used to store the value from the PIR sensor, that's why we are using this. And one thing, let me clear you, it is called global variable. When you define this variable out of this void setup or void loop, it becomes global variable. You can use it anywhere in this both loop. So let's do or write our code. Here we know that LED, this bulb will work as output, because we are going to send signal from pin number 13 to this bulb. That's why I am taking it output. And in pin mode we will have to change one thing. Here you can say that PIR sensor is an input device, and due to this I will change its mode, and it will be in, and its name is PIR. That's why we have created variable with the name of PIR. I have done it. And we have to write or you can say we have to read the value from this PIR sensor. For that I am using this val equal to digital read. Whenever you have to read any digital signal, you will have to write digital read, and that is PIR, which is connected to the pin number 2, and which is being stored in the val, which is a variable. After this, we will have to on our bulb. Whenever it goes high, the value will be high. In that case, we want that the bulb should on. For this, I am using if else conditional statement here, and because we have only two conditions, either it will be high or low, or you can say that the bulb will be glowing or it will be in off state. That's why, and to on this bulb you will have to write digital write, and let me just clear it. It will be in small letter, and this is connected, as we know that bulb is connected to pin number 13 and its variable is B, and in this case if we get PIR value high, in that case it will get on, and in else condition, in else what will happen, if the logic will be, let me copy this, and thereafter I will make you understand why am I doing this. Here in else condition, if the value will be 0 or the logic will be 0, in that case our bulb should off, and you can see we have done the coding part of this, and further I will do some modification to show the value, what value is coming from this PIR sensor, and let's start the simulation. Just wait, it is saying digital read. And just wait, digital. Now it's not showing any error here. When I move this, you can see any object is coming in its range, that's why the bulb is on. And if I remove this, the object is out of this PIR range, in that case the bulb will get off. In this way this project is done. And if you want to see the what type of values are coming when logic 0 is coming, or when logic 1 is coming, if you want to see that, then you will have to initialize serial monitor. For that you will have to write serial dot begin, and the baud rate will be 9600, and here we are going to print that value whatever is coming from this. And ln is used to print in the next line. Well, let's see this. Here you can see the value is coming 0 because there is no object in the range of this PIR sensor. Suppose I am bringing this object in the range of PIR sensor. In that case, let me just hide this. When I bring this in the range of PIR sensor, in that case you will see here the value is getting 1. As I remove, it will become 0. There is lagging in this. You can see here it has become 0 and the bulb is off. So in this way this project is done. And if you like this video, please share with